This is exactly what I'm looking for. From the land of the dead, from where I'm coming from.
Land of where?
There's so much noise! But this place is peaceful. No neighbors, just you and I.
You are who?
Brother solo, brother we sabi run. No go to that place.
Maybe you know say you don't owe me for the last time. You never pay.
Madam, I know now. I will pay. I know.
I say make I remind you, because that one and this one now 570. I say make I tell you.
I will pay.
Hey, my phone. Hello. How na do now? Oh, no wahala. Electrician? No, I no get. Okay, I no get. No problem.
Not be juju be that.
No problem. All right.
Mama, why they do like this now? Person call you say you need an electrician. And they give you size, say you're there. You just boom. Say you don't know anybody.
What you go fit do when you turn electrician? Ma connect you now, may you go spoil something, ma enter trouble. I beg.
Madam, nothing the electrician work. Not be to just carry wire join, negative, positive, black and red. Before you know you get light. People they don't get too head.
I beg. My phone they ring. I'm still them. Hello? Plumber? I no get any plumber number. Find person call. Do.
Madam, now should be tomorrow now. If I now make money, you'll not be telling the whole world that you know me. You'll not be telling them that yes, I used to buy something from you on credit. If you tell people say you know me, now my God will punish you. When you know if you help me, person call for electrician, and they give you sign you bone. Now plumber, they give you sign you bone. Later you got to say we'll be neighbor. I go arrive, and when I arrive, if you mistakenly say you want to greet me, I go embarrass you.
You not go wait make you arrive first.
Me, I will do you back. I will pay you back.
Now so, when my money now, you dey come out.
I will pay you later, I bet.
You will pay me later. Yeah. Now so how you dey hold.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
Please, is there a vacancy here? And this is your compound?
No, there's no vacancy.
Oh, good. Do you know of any agents that can help me out?
Agent. I don't think I know any agent. I don't think so. I don't know about any agent.
Oh, God, what am I going to do now?
Bros.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon,
I
my
heard
dear.
you talking about agent.
Exactly.
That's my job.
Oh,
That's my job.
that's nice.
You see this whole neighborhood? All the tenants here, I gave them the house. You lie.
Wow.
And as I talk to you now, I have 2-bedroom flats down this street.
Is there any neighbors in the compound?
Yes. There are neighbors around.
No, I don't want that kind of a house. I need a quiet place for just me alone. I don't need anybody, just me alone.
Just you alone.
Just me alone.
But that's why I am the best agent for this job. Right now, I have another 2-bedroom flat, but the place is far. And you have to cross like 2 rivers before you get there.
Exactly, that is what I'm looking for.
You are the Odion way in that area.
That's the house I'm looking for. Can we go now?
Why not? Cross. Thank you.
Brother solo, brother we sabi run. No go to that place. You no go hear what do. Brother solo, brother we sabi run. Danger day for that road. You no go hear what do. Help me shouting him, help me yelling him. I would like to tell him say, but you no go hear what do. Brother solo, brother solo, brother solo, brother solo, brother solo, brother solo, brother solo. Run away, run away.
Madam, this is the house. You see? No neighbor, it's just you alone.
Wow, this place is beautiful. This is exactly what I'm looking for. From the land of the dead, from where I'm coming from.
Land of where?
There's so much noise! But this place is peaceful. No neighbors, just you and I.
You are who?
You and I forever, I'm gonna give you everything. Let's!
Oh, no.